Hi guys, it's Sophie from Just Fabrics. Today we're going to show you how to make a fabric doorstop like the one we have here. For this make, we chose to use two contrasting fabrics. We chose the Telford Lichen and the Cotswold Heavyweight Linen in the rose pink. You will also need some card, a pencil and a ruler to make your templates, some scissors or a rotary cutter, pins, an iron, sewing machine, some rice or lentils, about 3 to 4 kilograms, a funnel and a jug. So the first thing you need to do is get your ruler and scissors and the paper or card or whatever you're using for your templates, so you can cut out your template pieces. You'll need 2 pieces for the top and bottom, which measure 15 centimeters by 15 centimeters. 4 pieces which are 15 centimeters by 20 centimeters, which will make up the sides. And then you'll need 1 piece which is 16.5 centimeters by 8 centimeters for the handle. So the next thing you need to do is pin together all your side pieces into a 4. And this is going to be the top of the doorstop, so make sure if you're using a patterned fabric that the pattern is going the correct way. So once you have all your 4 pieces pinned together, you want to then pin the 2 ends together to create the cube. So this is what you'll be left with, and the next thing we need to do would be to stitch it together. So the next part we're going to do is the handle. So what you want to do is take the long edges and fold them over. So you're going to fold them over twice and press them with a hot iron. Now you've ironed and pinned the 2 sides, we're going to stitch along these to keep them in place. So the next thing we're going to do is attach the handle that we've just stitched to our top piece of fabric. What you need to do is line up both edges, and this will create a natural curve in the middle of the handle, and also make sure that the handle itself is in the middle of the square. So if you can, when you stitch the handle on, you want to make sure you can backward stitch and double stitch it, because obviously you want it to be strong enough to lift up the doorstop when it's finished. Now you have the handle attached to the top, what you're going to do is stitch the top piece to your side pieces. So you want to make sure that all the right sides are going to be together, and make sure that you're pinning it to the right side, so the top of the pattern fabric if you're using a pattern. So now that you've stitched the top piece on, we're going to repeat the step for the bottom piece, the only difference being we're going to leave a couple of inches as a gap so that we can fill the doorstop once we've stitched it on. Now that you've stitched the bottom piece on, you want to use the little gap that you've left and turn it inside out. Once you've turned it the right way out, you can start filling the doorstop with your chosen weight. We are going to be using dry rice. So once you've filled the doorstop with the filling, you want to just take the side that you left open and slip stitch it with a needle and cotton. And now you have your finished doorstop. Thanks for watching, we hope you enjoyed this make. As you know, we've got plenty of other how-to videos on our website and on other social media.